Revolut is a fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including banking, investing, and insurance. They're headquartered in the UK, but they have operations in over 40 countries around the world, including Nigeria. So, can you open a Revolut account from Nigeria? The answer is yes, you can. But there are a few things you need to know before you do. First, you need to be at least 18 years old. Second, you need to have a valid Nigerian ID card or passport. Third, you need to have a Nigerian bank account. Once you have all of those things, you can sign up for a Revolut account online. Once you've created your account, you'll be able to add money to it using your Nigerian bank account. You can also use your Revolut card to make purchases online and in stores. Revolut offers a number of different account types, each with its own set of features and benefits. The most popular account type is the standard account, which is free to use. Revolut also offers a premium account, which costs $7.99 per month. The premium account comes with a number of additional features, such as access to exclusive discounts and rewards, as well as priority customer support. Revolut is a great option for Nigerians who are looking for a convenient and affordable way to manage their finances. Here are some of the benefits of using Revolut. You can send and receive money to and from friends and family for free. You can use your Revolut card to make purchases online and in stores. You can get cash back when you shop at certain retailers. You can earn interest on your money. You can get travel insurance. If you're looking for a great way to manage your finances, I highly recommend Revolut. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the features of Revolut. Send and receive money. You can send and receive money to and from friends and family for free, no matter where they are in the world. You can also send money to businesses and charities. Use your Revolut card. You can use your Revolut card to make purchases online and in stores. You can also use it to withdraw cash from ATMs around the world. Get cash back. You can get cash back when you shop at certain retailers. Earn interest. You can earn interest on your money. Get travel insurance. You can get travel insurance to protect yourself when you travel. Revolut is a great option for Nigerians who are looking for a convenient and affordable way to manage their finances. With its many features and benefits, Revolut is a great choice for anyone who wants to take control of their financial future. Now, let's talk about some of the things you need to consider before opening a Revolut account. Fees. Revolut charges a fee for some services, such as withdrawing cash from ATMs outside of your home country. Exchange rates. Revolut uses its own exchange rates, which may be slightly different from the mid-market rate. Customer support. Revolut's customer support is available 24/7, but it can be difficult to reach them by phone. Overall, Revolut is a great option for Nigerians who are looking for a convenient and affordable way to manage their finances. However, it's important to weigh the benefits and drawbacks before opening an account. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.